Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to measure distance between two objects in FreeCAD. If you would like to do it, you need to create an empty file and then we need to change mode to part design. It is very important. After that we need to click on create body, we need to go to create sketch and we need to select here XY plane. Then I click OK button. I will draw here a simple rectangle, so I click here, I select here rectangle and I draw here a simple rectangle. Then I click close button, I select here pad and I click OK. Then I need to create another one shape, so I click create body, I go to create sketch, I select XY plane and I click OK button. Now I will draw here maybe the hexagon, so I select here hexagon and I draw the hexagon somewhere here. So I create here a hexagon, I click here to create it, I click close button, I select pad. And now I click OK button. And now we have here two objects. If you would like to measure distance between them, we need to click on this one icon. It will let us to measure a feature and we need to change mode to distance. And now you can select the points or the lines between which you want to measure the distance. So for example, I select this one line and then I click on this one point to measure distance between objects. Okay, so here you can find two distances. This one is the distance between the line and the point that I have chose. And this one is the distance between two objects. Of course, we can click reset button to delete it. And now maybe I will measure distance between this point and maybe this one point. And here are distances between the points and between the objects that you can read here. So there are two distances. I think it will be more clear if I will show you maybe this one perspective. So here we have distance that we have chose and the red line is the shortest distance, yeah? So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.